Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Honning. I am member of Global Cambodia. I am provide guest health amount $530 on 40 February 2016, and I receive all money on 15 February 2016. I am very happy so much. I release Global with a great community in the world and hope everybody will join this project. Thank you for giving me a chance to work with and give me an opportunity to change the world. Thank you, Mr. C.K. Mawadi. Thank you very much.